Yes, feeders supplying power to hot tubs and spas are required to have ground fault circuit interrupter, or GFCI, protection. This requirement is put in place to protect individuals from potential electrical shock hazards associated with water and electricity. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, provides specific guidelines regarding the installation and GFCI protection of electrical equipment used in or near hot tubs and spas. Article 680 of the NEC covers requirements for swimming pools, spas, hot tubs, and similar installations. It outlines the specific rules for wiring methods, grounding, bonding, and GFCI protection to ensure electrical safety. Ground fault circuit interrupters are designed to detect even small imbalances in electrical current, such as those that could occur if someone were to come into contact with a live electrical component near the water. When a ground fault is detected, the GFCI quickly cuts off the power to the circuit, reducing the risk of serious injury or death. For hot tubs and spas, GFCI protection is typically required for all electrical circuits serving the equipment, including the feeders that supply power to the unit. This includes circuits for pumps, heaters, lights, and other electrical components. The specific requirements for GFCI protection can vary depending on the installation and the local electrical codes. It is important to consult the latest edition of the NEC and any applicable local codes to ensure compliance. Licensed electrical contractors are trained to understand and implement these requirements, ensuring that hot tub and spa installations are safe and code compliant. There are several key aspects to consider regarding GFCI protection for hot tub and spa feeders. Firstly, the NEC specifies the locations where GFCI protection is required. This includes areas where electrical equipment is likely to come into contact with water, such as within a certain distance of the inside walls of a hot tub or spa. Secondly, the type of GFCI device must meet specific standards. Typically, a listed self-testing GFCI is required. This ensures that the GFCI is functioning correctly and can detect ground faults. Thirdly, the installation of the GFCI device must be done correctly. This includes proper wiring and grounding to ensure that the GFCI can effectively protect against electrical shock hazards. In addition to GFCI protection, other safety measures are also important for hot tub and spa installations. These include proper grounding and bonding of all metal components, such as the hot tub shell, metal piping, and any electrical equipment. Grounding and bonding help to create a lower impedance path for fault current, which can help to trip a circuit breaker or GFCI in the event of a ground fault. Proper wiring methods are also essential for hot tub and spa installations. The NEC specifies the types of wiring that are permitted for use in these locations, as well as the requirements for conduit, fittings, and other wiring components. These requirements are designed to minimize the risk of electrical shock and fire hazards. Furthermore, regular maintenance and inspections are important for ensuring the continued safety of hot tub and spa installations. This includes checking the GFCI devices to ensure that they are functioning properly, inspecting the wiring and connections for any signs of damage or corrosion, and testing the grounding and bonding system. If any issues are found, they should be addressed promptly by a qualified electrician. The requirements for GFCI protection may also vary depending on the voltage and amperage of the electrical circuits serving the hot tub or spa. For example, high voltage circuits may require additional safety measures, such as the use of a ground fault protection system for equipment, or GFP. GFP systems are designed to protect equipment from damage due to ground faults, while GFCI devices are primarily intended to protect people from electrical shock. In summary, GFCI protection is a critical safety requirement for feeders supplying power to hot tubs and spas. This protection helps to prevent electrical shock hazards and ensure the safety of individuals using these installations. It is important to consult the NEC and any applicable local codes to ensure compliance with all relevant requirements. Licensed electrical contractors are trained to understand and implement these requirements, ensuring that hot tub and spa installations are safe and code compliant. Remember that electrical work should always be performed by qualified professionals to ensure safety and compliance with all applicable codes and regulations.